actually works. It's super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play the game Shadow Fight 4. This is the modded version for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, I'm broke, but I'm going to show you how to download the mod. So in the modded feature, we have unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this on and let's see if it increases or not. So as you can see, this is what we have to work with right now. Pretty sad, but hopefully it does increase on Shadow Fight 4. So let's see what happens. And no rising. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the Shadow Fight 4 hack for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So let's get down into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go to a new tab and type tweakmod.com. So when you're on this site, guys, type Shadow and then find Shadow Fight 4, press install. So before it downloads the mod, there's one more step, verification. So during this step, we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, and these apps are all from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, we'll just give it a second to load up, and we should have the Shadow Fight 4 mod onto our device. So let's just give it a second here for this to load up. So as you can see, it's loading right now, so we're just going to let it do its thing, and then all we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions, guys. It's 100% free, so just make sure you download 2 of them, like Family Island says reach level 11, this is a game. Then we got Underdog Fantasy, which says down and run for 30 seconds, you know, TikTok. So yeah, just make sure you guys do 2 of the apps. I'll see you later, but that's how you get Shadow Fight 4 hack. iOS and Android, all devices are included. This is super cool, guys. I don't really do videos anymore, but, you know, had to get down with the Shadow Fight 4 mod video. Super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.